Now here's candidate number 2. Candidate number 2 is wearing a gown made up of recycled newspapers, boxes, papers, disposable drinking straws, and plastic wrapper.
Good afternoon, everyone. Save the trees, save the earth, and save ourselves. I'm Jody G. Palomeno from Grade 4, Gumamela. Thank you.
Candidate number 2. Next, may we have candidate number 3. Candidate number 3 is wearing an attire made up of diario or newspaper.
Hello! Ako po si Athena Angel Mucan from Kindergarten, Sunflower. Thank you.
Candidate number 3. Now let's have candidate number 4. Number 4 candidate is wearing a costume made from recycled straw of sodas or soft drinks, bamboo or Hawaiian, straw or pantale, disposable fork and spoons, insulator, and garbage bag. Once again, candidate number 4.
Every child is a every child is a different kind of flower. All together we make this world a beautiful garden. Hi everyone, my name is Ria Jessamine Corpus, 11 years old, representing Santan. And I thank you.
And now let's have the candidate number 5. Nadiwaka. Nadiwaka is most popularly known in modern times as a nature spirit or a fairy that is open and steward over a certain mountain or piece of land. In ancient Filipino culture, Nadiwaka or Amigo was the dominant concept in various religions throughout the archipelago. He's wearing a costume made up of recycled used boxes and eco bag.
Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Yunica Agnes Yare, representing Grade 4, Bluebell, and I thank you.
Once again, ladies and gentlemen, candidate number 5. Madawat man kadagitay OB as well as parents. Kada di bandanga iti abagatan, dawat dagiti judges ako, agtuga Tulaw kayo, ta saan da ka no makita, ti panagrubuat, dahil kandila, tangang marcha. Thank you. Now let's have candidate number 6. Our candidate number 6 is wearing an eagle outfit. As we all know, the Philippine eagle is one of the rare animals in our country as well as in the world. Our candidate number 6 portrays an eagle who is trying to fly on her own, wearing an outfit made up of paper plates, spoons, forks, feathers, recycled clothes, and throwable boxes. Once again, our candidate number 6.
Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Hannah Grace Torcedo, representing your beautiful friend in grade 6 Orchid. And I thank you.
Thank you, candidate number 6. Next, let's have candidate number 7. He's wearing an attire made up of sako, balat ng mais, and abaka. The bulaklak is made up from baon ng nyog. The payong or the umbrella is made up of tobacco, while the headrest is made up of sako.